A very warm good morning to all my grade 4 students. Children, in our previous module, part 1 of chapter 8 roots, we came to know about different types of things that a plant need to grow and different roots and their functions. In this module, we will come to know about different types of roots and their various purposes and uses to human beings. In this part 2, children will be able to understand about taproot, fibrous root and adventitious roots. Children will be able to understand about different purposes of roots. Children will be able to understand uses of roots to human beings. Children also will be able to understand how roots are used as medicines. Types of roots. Children, there are 3 kinds of root: taproot, fibrous root and adventitious root. The taproot is a main root that grows vertically downward. It is long and thick. For example, sunflower, carrot, mango are the taproots. The fibrous root. A fibrous root is a root formed by multiple thread like strands. Example of fibrous roots are money plant, bamboo, rose plant, banyan tree, etc. The next one is the adventitious root. Some plants have roots which grow from either the stem or the leaf. They are present above the ground. Such roots are called adventitious roots. Aerial roots are adventitious roots. They are found in different plants such as orchids, mangroves, banyan trees, etc. Different purposes of roots. As we already discussed that roots are very important for a plant and roots serve different types of purposes to the well growth of the plant. First one, we will talk about support. Sometimes such roots offer support. The roots of banyan tree grow down from the branches until they reach the ground. These roots are like pillars. They provide strong support to the tree. Roots of the banyan tree look like hanging branches. Breathing. Some plants grow in environments where there is a lot of water in the soil. In such cases, some plants may grow roots upwards to breathe. Black mangroves have such types of roots. As you see in this picture of mangroves, its roots are not underground. They are growing above the ground. Propagation. Some plants have roots that grow above the ground. They will drop off at some point and develop into new plants like strawberries. Uses of roots to human beings. Roots as food. People and animals eat many kinds of roots. Most roots that people eat are known as vegetables and root vegetables. A root vegetable is one of that grows underground. A carrot is a root vegetable. It is the orange colored edible root of the carrot plant. Turnip is another root vegetable. It is a member of the cabbage family. Turnips are usually eaten boiled, steamed, roasted, fried, pickled or even raw. Sweet potatoes and beets are other root vegetables that people like to eat. A radish, can be white, red, purple or black in color and is long, cylindrical or round in shape. They are eaten raw, cooked or pickled. The oil obtained from the seeds of radish is used in cooking. The sugar beet has a strong, deep, fleshy taproot which grows rapidly and almost vertically downwards. Roots as medicine. There are many roots which also serve as medicine. The root of the plant dandelion is used since ancient times to support liver health and ward off any liver ailments. The licorice root is used to treat upper respiratory tract infections. Roots to hold the soil in place. Roots hold the soil in place by pre-meeting within it. This prevents soil erosion. Children, let's summarize what we came to know in this module. The root is an important part of a plant because it performs different functions or purposes, like it absorbs water and nutrients from soil. It also anchors the plant's body to the ground. It also stores food and nutrients. It is responsible for vegetative reproduction. Apart from that, we also came to know that there are basically three different types of roots, that are tap roots, fibrous roots and adventitious roots. We consume different root vegetables such as carrot, radish, sugar beet, sweet potato, etc. We also use many roots as medicines. That's why roots are called the main parts of a plant. Let this all we have in this module. In our next module, we will come up with a new topic. Till then, take care all of you. Thank you.